Hi there, tasters. Look, another box of wine delivered from Kolios Winery in Paphos. This is 7.5 kilos. Does it count as an arm workout? I hope so. Now then, let's get into this. I can't wait to see what's in this box. Weapons. Nearly stabbed myself. Ah, wonderful. I'm not sure I should be allowed knives, really. Much safer. Some of you expressed concern. Now, what have we here? Let's see. All the classics. This is a Xynisteri, unlike any Xynisteri you've ever tasted. It's so aromatic, so floral. The roses, the white flowers, the delicate aromas of this Xynisteri. Very, very unique. Lovely. Now that baby is a Shiraz. Shiraz is a really, really good variety. Even though it's an international variety, it is a variety that's really took to Cyprus climate and terroir. We have incredible Shiraz wines. I think I can confidently say I've never tasted a Cyprus Shiraz that I didn't love. And of course, everyone's beloved princess, the Cyprus Maratheftico. This is a bit of a princess grape. It gives the producers a hard time, especially in the vineyard, but once it's tamed, it produces lovely, deeply colored wine. Look at this beautiful purple label we've got here. This reflects all the aromas of plums and violets that you get in this wine. And people sometimes call Maratheftico the Cyprus Malbec. I think it's better than Malbec, more acidity, more interesting wine, I feel. However, I understand why, because there's so many aromas of plums and violets and gentle velvety tannins. It's a beautiful wine. I'm going deeper. Another Maratheftico. Now here is a blend, and this is a blend I haven't yet tried, but how could it possibly not taste amazing when it's a blend of Shiraz and Merlot? And you can see the blue label, which is suggestive of all the blueberry flavors I'm gonna find in from the Merlot. I love red wines by Kolios Winery especially, and now I'm really excited. And the last bottle is another bottle of the red blend of Shiraz and Merlot. So I am so excited because I have never actually tasted this Shiraz Merlot blend before. Now then. I should stop throwing things on the floor. Cookie, apologize for the interruption. You're forgiven. Now then, where was I? Thank you, Cookie. Wineries specialize, and I think that Kolios Winery is especially good at producing exemplary red wine. I love their white wine too, but there is something about their Maratheftico, their Shiraz, The red wines are so deeply, intensely aromatic and concentrated. So here we go. It's like a first kiss. I've never had this wine before. So excited. Now, what did I tell you? Look at this color. Such a powerfully aromatic nose, and there's a lot of dark fruit in this. Blueberries, as I expected, but also blackberries. And those blue plums that you get, damsons. Let's have a taste. Oh, the vanilla. You can smell the oak, you can taste the oak. This has been tamed by spending a little time in oak barrels, and it's given it this rounded feel and all these sweet aromas of subtle spices, and also a little pepperiness, which must be from the Shiraz, I expect. Ah, gorgeous. Now, I'll tell you what, although I love this wine, it's perfect exactly as it is. If you think it's too strong, decant it first. Decant this wine and give it a chance to take a deep breath and relax, and it will just give itself up to you. It will reveal all its secrets, and then you'll be able to pick out all those wonderful, dark, juicy fruit aromas. It's absolutely marvelous. I love it. And I have 2 bottles of it. Cheers, Kolios Winery. Have a wonderful Christmas.